Hey YouTube, this Hatin 57. Hi, I want to meet my new friend, Teddy Bear. Yeah, I'm Teddy Bear. I'm cool, right? Yeah, I'm Teddy Bear. Cool, right? Yeah. And clowns, yeah, me. Yeah, clowns at the circus, yeah. So, how about your holiday, Hatin? Oh, holiday, yeah. So bored. I don't have any work to do, man. I'm just playing with my video games. I play with video games, my PC game, and then another day I play my PC game, and then video games. How about you, Teddy Bear? Yeah, I'm just playing with a girl, young girls, with young girls, and then I'll play with the young girls. But oh, it's a very best holiday. I need some holiday because I many performance at the circus, so I need holiday, man. So how about you YouTubers? Yeah, how about YouTubers of your holiday? To the best to enjoy your holiday? To Hey YouTubers, can you give me some ideas to do at home? I'm bored. Okay, please leave a comment. Okay? Yeah, please leave a comment. Okay? Yeah, please leave your comment.